barely scratched the surface. There's still so much you can't even fathom.
Well, I think I did a little more than just scratch the surface.
May I interest you in a little game of chess, Rico? Fair warning, though. I'm 12 moves ahead of you.
These look deadly. Like I thought, the ship didn't crash. What now?
Okay, Uncle Sheldon did some for you about this Eden, and listen, things look thought, but I got an idea. Here's the deal. I'm gonna go Rico!
Sheldon!
Rico, do you
Are you reading me?
That's it. The time for reasoning is over, Rico. You attacked my airship and endangered the lives of my employees. You asked for it. This time, it's personal.
Stop your mining and your ruthless killing, or I'll stop you myself.
This conversation no longer serves any purpose. Goodbye.
Damn it! I need that intel from Sheldon. Something's jamming the signal.
I could almost respect you. If only I could overlook the fact that you killed our security forces, blown up our extraction, and damaged our airship.
I don't tread on toes, Eden. I nuke them.
Rico, how does it feel to be cut off from the rest of us? Are you starting to feel...
Sheldon, do you read?
Rico, stop it! No!
It's still not enough. I need to destroy the other jammers.
operations are too important. I can't allow you to jeopardize them. I won't allow it.
Oh, you got to be kidding me! Oh, goddamn, I hate these radio thingies!
Copy, Sheldon. The signal was being jammed. You said you found out something about this corporation.
Oh, Rico, listen, in a nutshell, if I'm right, these guys are really bad news. Big time. You find a way inside the ship. In the meantime, I'll see if I can dig up more in the archives.
The archives? What archives?
Must be some kind of way in here that they can do to this ship.
Well, I contact these. I guess there's only one way to solve it. My way.
Pest. If I were you, I wouldn't jump down that rabbit hole. Now that you've shorted the wiring, it could be dangerous.
Now I'm even more curious, Eden.
As you wish, but don't say I didn't.
What the hell is this place?
Don't worry. You're not alone in there. Are you afraid of the dark, Rico? Are you afraid of ghosts?
The hatch is shut. I'm in some creepy garden.
All right, now I found a blueprint of the airship. Long story, Vigo. Just let me see where you are. Okay, that control center room seems to be on the other side. You'll need to find a way across.
There, at last. See what you did? See how long it takes us to clean up after your mess?
report to the control center. That's where the ones running the show are gonna be. Their commander or boss. I stumbled across access codes that should override the hatch.
How convenient, Sheldon. We'll need to talk when I have some time. Alright, this looks like a drone warehouse. I feel like I'm being watched.
Sounds like the place. Watch your steps, son.
Didn't work. How old were your codes, Sheldon?
What? I don't get it. I got them from someone inside the Eden Corporation. Well, that was a while back, though.
Welcome to my apartment, said the spider to the fly. Uh-oh, friend.
Rico, they were playing us. I've been reports of multiple drone attacks on Medici.
Closer in the lead. That's how it's done. Robots now.
You think you're smarter than me? You think I'm done?
Uncle Sheldon to Major Rico. Uncle Sheldon to Major Rico. The Black Hand. Ring any bells?
Creepy military dudes, heavy armor, very skilled.
Yeah, that's the bunch. They've been capturing a lot of rebels from Medici and from other places. Around the world. I thought you'd want to know, hombre, and go save them or whatever. The thing is, we don't know where they detain them. The only thing we found out is that they have a cargo plane on an airstrip in the northwest of Medici. Best lead we got.